Barbecue butt jokes, Jennifer Lopez jokes. Marc Anthony and his wife were working in their garden one day when Marc looks over at J-Lo and says, "Your butt is really big, I mean really big. I bet your butt is bigger than the barbecue." With that he proceeded to get a measuring tape and measure the grill end. Then went over to where his J-Lo was working and measured J-Lo's bottom. "Yes, I was right, your butt is 2 inches wider than the barbecue." The J-Lo chooses to ignore Marc. Later that night in bed, Marc is feeling a little frisky. He makes some advances towards his wife who completely brushes him off. "What's wrong?" he asks. J-Lo answers, "Do you really think I'm going to fire up this big ass grill for one little weenie?"